Today we're going to talk about departure timers, how to charge your vehicle at certain times during the night, and also how to precondition your vehicle for departure. Okay, let's select the charging icon, and you'll have an overview if charging equipment was connected here. You would see that. You have departure, which we'll get into in a second, and pre-cool and heating. I want to start with pre-cool and heating. You can set the temperature here that the car will heat up to or cool down to. And you can also set if it's just going to be you leaving for work, or if your entire family is going to be there, you can adjust this so it will prioritize one region of the vehicle if that's what's needed. Finally, you have pre-cool and heat with remote unlocking. Now what this does is if you unlock your vehicle as you're coming up to it, it will begin the pre-cool or preheating process. Another way to jump straight to that is this pre-cool and heat button as well. Say you get in the car and right away you would like to get it up to temperature, you can select the pre-cool or heat button there. All right, so we've set up our pre-cooling and heating. That's going to come up in just a second with our departure timers. So we're going to add a new timer. And so what a departure timer is it's setting a time in which the car will be ready for you to leave. It will allow you to get to a certain state of charge and a certain temperature during a certain time frame. So let's take a look. Add a new timer. As you can see here, you can pre-cool or heat for that departure based on your previous settings that we just went over. Let's talk about our departure time. So tomorrow morning, we'll leave at about 8 a.m. And then you can recap if you want to. What this allows you to do is choose which days that you would like to have that departure timer. We won't be traveling on Saturday or Sunday, so there you go. So let's go back here. Now let's go to advanced settings. And so this is really good if you need to charge at a very specific time of night. Some power companies offer discounted charging rates in the middle of the night, so to say, like here in Georgia. So what you need to do is go from optimized charging to manual. Then you can select a preferred charging time. Here in Georgia, 12 a.m. to 6 a.m. is a great time to charge your electric vehicle. You can also save the location, i.e. if you're charging at home. And there we go. After you get done, you'll notice that it is already checked and active. If you would like to deactivate that, all you've got to do is remove that checkbox. In addition to that, you may want to adjust your state of charge at departure. You can adjust the state of charge here by just dragging and moving this particular line to adjust your target charge. This will allow you to utilize 100% of the battery capacity as you begin a long road trip. You can now maximize your home charging experience with your new Taycan.